The 2024 Lincoln Aviator stands out in the luxury SUV segment with its sophisticated blend of advanced technology, refined design, and powerful performance. Presented by Fiesta Lincoln. Under the hood, it offers a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine that delivers 400 horsepower and 415 pound-feet of torque, ensuring a smooth and exhilarating driving experience. For those seeking an eco-friendly option, the Aviator Grand Touring plug-in hybrid combines this robust engine with an electric motor, boosting the total output to 494 horsepower and 630 pound-feet of torque, while also providing a notable electric-only driving range. The exterior design of the 2024 Lincoln Aviator exudes confidence and elegance. Its sleek lines, distinctive grille, and signature lighting elements create a commanding presence on the road. The power liftgate and hands-free functionality make loading and unloading effortless, while the available panoramic vista roof adds a sense of openness and connection to the surroundings. With a range of striking color options and wheel designs, the Aviator allows for personal expression and style customization, ensuring it stands out in any setting. Inside, the 2024 Aviator is a sanctuary of comfort and elegance. The cabin is adorned with high-quality materials such as premium leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, and brushed metal accents. Passengers will appreciate the spacious three-row seating arrangement, which offers ample legroom and versatile cargo space. The second-row captain's chairs add an extra layer of luxury, providing personalized comfort for every journey. Additionally, the available Revel Ultima 3D audio system, with 28 speakers, ensures an immersive audio experience, making every drive a pleasure. Technologically, The Aviator excels with its comprehensive suite of features designed to enhance convenience and safety. The intuitive Sync 4 infotainment system is displayed on a large, high-resolution touchscreen, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated navigation. Advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping system, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking come standard, offering peace of mind on the road. The Aviator also introduces Lincoln Copilot 360 Plus, which includes Active Park Assist Plus and Evasive Steering Assist, further solidifying its status as a leader in automotive innovation. Overall, the 2024 Lincoln Aviator seamlessly integrates luxury, performance, and technology, making it a top choice for discerning drivers who demand the best in every aspect of their vehicle. You can view our selection at fiestalincoln.com or give us a call at 480-428-3237.